Well, I'm up in my buddy from New York, Pine Power, one of my favorite bloggers on YouTube, is an elevator enthusiast. Of course, I forgot to bring my good camera, but anyway, I always carry my cell phone. So I'm up on, this video is for him because I know he's an elevator enthusiast. I'm up on top of my building here, and I'm going to reset my elevator. Or I'm going to try to reset it. So we're going to do this. As you can see here, this is the original pull equipment for this elevator was built in 1930. And obviously, this is actually the original casing and the original motor. This has been rebuilt, I believe. I don't know about the rest of this stuff. They did remodel our whole elevator about 10 years ago at a cost of $60,000. Before that, it was stopping all over the place. You never do stop halfway in the floor. Anyway, this is my control. This is the control we have now. And that's fault 59. I believe that is the leveling fault. I'm not supposed to be up here, actually. It's supposed to be only a certified elevator technician, but, you know. Here's our list of faults. Okay, releveling times. So, that's generally somebody opened the door. If you open the collapsible gate inside the elevator too quickly, it can cause that particular fault. But usually I can reset this just by simply switching it into the manual position, which will turn that off, and then having the car go up. Okay. Now that's still... Okay, see that actually reset my elevator, so it will move. You see, it just got all the safety features in here to prevent, well, I don't know what it is. I don't know anything about it, actually, but I know that our old elevator didn't have any of this. But the new elevator has all of this equipment, and I'm sure that it would be fairly similar for all elevators, the solid state circuitry. Anyway, that's our elevator, and here's our smoke alarm thing here. Anyway, that's for my buddy Pine Power. Here we are on the top of this building. It's cloudy and raining out right at the moment. This is, you can see Portland. I got my crummy camera here, so it won't show up very well. This is a 30-unit apartment building that I run over here in northwest Portland. And this is a view from the roof. Next time I'll try to remember to bring my big camera up here, but I wasn't thinking about that at the moment. Here's our view from the fire escape in the back here. So, go down into the this is the pink floor. This place is called the Portland Rose Apartments. And the guy I inherited this position from loved the pink, so when I repainted this whole building, I left one floor pink in his honor. Anyway, here comes our elevator. As you can see, it's really the old buttons, and the door closer is really old. So what happens here is if people open this gate before the elevator is completely leveled, I'll show you. See, now this elevator takes time. See how slowly it levels? You gotta wait for that click before you open the gate, because if you don't, you can trigger that false 59, which is what happened. It hasn't been happening much lately, but people that visit the building aren't aware that they need to do this. You gotta wait for the click. Then you can open it.
All right. This first song is the song of my homeland. A land far, far away from here. I've gambled in Vegas when I've had the chance. I've sampled the vintage in Chamonix, France. In Texas, I turn up the best honky-tonks. I played all the golf courses up in the Bronx. In Edinburgh, I bellied up with the Scotties. On Redondo Beach, I done scoped all the hotties. I've been all over from Rome to Bangkok, but I ain't seen nothing that can hold the jock of Long Island.